Welcome back, Wellness Warriors. In today's video, we're tackling one of the most sought out muscle groups, the back. Let's get started. One thing about myself, whenever I work out my back, I start off with some pull-ups. I come all the way down, fully stretching my lats and squeeze at the top. My arms do not assist me coming up, as their only purpose is to serve as hooks to maintain grip on the handle. This is one old school rotation I keep in my back pocket. Now we're moving on to some barbell rolls. This is all about foot and arm placement. Have a slight bend in your knees. Have your hand position on the barbell, either shoulder width or a little bit greater than that, and try to aim to pull the bar towards your belly button region. As you bring in the bar towards your navel region, begin squeezing down on your lats. Try to keep a good tempo without breaking away from your form, and increase the weight with each new set. Next, we're moving on to some single arm pull downs. The objective here is to lead with your elbows and pull it towards your torso. When returning to the starting position, make sure you come all the way up to stretch out your lats, creating a greater range of motion. This exercise targets your lower lats. This is also a great unilateral exercise to focus on any imbalances you may have. So try this and let me know what you think about it. Next exercise we're moving on, some single arm low hammer stretch rows. And here you want to incorporate no bicep. You want to use your latissimus muscle to pull the weight back towards you, but make sure when you're coming forward you create that full stretch, leaning forward with your arm and then pull all the way back. This is all focusing on creating that thickness in your lats. Make sure to keep your back posture straight. No rounding of the shoulders, no rounding of the back. Make sure you use your lats to drive the weight back, not your biceps. We're here to work our back and not our arms. I see a lot of people use their arms to drive the weight back. That is incorrect usage of the machine. And guys, make sure with each set we're increasing the weight. You ask why? Guys, it's to achieve progressive overload, either by increasing the weight as you see me doing here, frequency, or the number of repetitions. This challenges our body and allows our musculoskeletal system to get stronger. So again, less bicep activation and more lat engagement. Check out this view. By the way, don't forget, we do drop sets on this channel too. After you finish your last rep, drop the weight 15 to 20%. Aim for 10 reps, drop the weight again, another 15 to 20 reps, and finish your last 10 reps. Now we're moving over to some seated cable rows. The objective here is you want to retract your shoulders, keep your chest forward, and squeeze down on your lats. You want to try to target moving the handle towards your navel region or just above your hip. Again, retract your shoulders. Sometimes I throw in static movements where I just stretch and hold for 5 seconds and then complete the exercise again. My purpose for doing this is just contracting the muscle for an extended period of time without movement. One advice I can give you guys to perform this exercise flawlessly Imagine your hands as hooks attached to the handles. Drive your elbows back and squeeze down on your lats. Control the negative and allow the weight to drive your elbows back to the starting position while keeping tension on your lats. Now let's begin the drop set. Moving on to shrugs, which focus on the trapezius muscle, the triangular muscle in the upper back and neck. The objective here is to pull your elbows towards your torso and squeeze. You can perform this exercise with a barbell. I switch between barbell and dumbbells because on this channel, we engage in unilateral movements to prevent and fix imbalances. Remember, building a strong back takes time and dedication. Stay consistent, push your limits, and you'll see incredible results. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and workout routines. Until next time, see you in the next video.